Katikkiro of Buganda, Peter Mayiga, has advised parents to encourage their children to explore and develop their talents, emphasizing that education goes beyond academics. While launching Olive School, Mayiga said schools are essential in instilling values that shape learners into upright citizens, securing a brighter future for Uganda.
Katikkiro of Buganda, Peter Mayiga, has called for a renewed focus on instilling core values in learners to build a better Uganda.
But today, the most successful or the most happy people are not necessarily doctors or lawyers or engineers. These days, many people register success as actors. So we must cast the fear that success only comes to doctors and engineers and accountants and lawyers. So the realization and discovery of talent must start right in nursery school, through primary school, and other institutions of learning.
Mayiga made this call during the official opening ceremony of the Olive School, emphasizing that education is vital in nurturing responsible citizens. He highlighted the need for better school infrastructures to inspire learners.
Educational institutions should be mindful of the infrastructure as they invest in schools. You see, reasonable infrastructure creates a conducive atmosphere, a conducive environment, and it broadens the mental outlook and attitudes of the learners.
The ceremony was graced by various religious leaders, including the Archbishop of Namugongo Diocese, Moses Banja, who offered prayers and blessing for the new institution. Nalongo Betty Tushabe, the founder of the Olive School, urged parents to trust her vision and enroll their children, ensuring them of a firm religious foundation and holistic education.
Some parents are not in their children's lives, but as a school we take an initiative where we meet parents on a timely basis. We bring in a counselor or a psychologist to talk to them, and that one has helped us.
The opening of the Olive School marks a step forward in providing quality education, blending strong values with academic excellence, and fostering a community of well-rounded individuals ready to contribute positively to society. Chontangwire Proscovia, Brian Tumwinebyaro Hanga, UBC News.